In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a real account on Pocket Broker. So to do this, first you want to install the Pocket Broker app, and then when you do this, you want to select your language up top, as you can see. So when you open it for the first time, you'll see this page. Tap on language and you can select whichever one you want. I'm going to leave it as English right now. And then you want to tap on registration down at the bottom, the big blue button, to actually open a real account. So when you do this, you have three options to either use email and password and a promo code, of course, if you have one, and of course you can register for a real account that way, or you could use Facebook or Google to actually sign up too. So to open a real account, I'm going to use Google this time. So you have to select your account, and there we go. This is automatically going to sign you in, and your real account is going to be created together with a demo account. So okay, as you can see right now, it's going to load me into the platform, and then up top you can see it says Qt Real. There's going to be a bunch of pop-ups you can first close, and then up top you can see it says Qt Real. If I tap on it, you can see I have a demo and a real account, and the real account has actually been created. Okay, so of course what you then have to do is top it up. So tap on top up over here, and you can go and deposit however much you want. And if you want to verify your real account as well, you want to go to the top left, tap on your profile icon, then you want to go down to where it says profile and tap on profile, and then here you want to tap on profile again. Now in here, if you scroll down, it says identity status, and you're going to have to basically verify your account by typing in your country and confirming it. And of course, as you can see, you'll have to use your ID document to do that as well. Okay, so that's essentially how to open a real account and verify it on Pocket Broker. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.